Welcome to Synthetic Oil Protection. I'm your host Eben, and today we're going to be talking about an AMSOIL PC promotion, and we're going to be showing Matt McDermott and what he won with his $100 gift card to Express Lube. All right, tomorrow 6:30 p.m. Las Vegas time, we're going to be doing Thursday Night Live. Jeff and I are going to be answering all of your questions on the channel, so definitely subscribe, hit the notification bell. It'll ring on your phone when we go live tomorrow. All right. Oh, I wanted to mention one more thing. We'll also have a AMSOIL PC promotion. So starting the 9th through the 22nd of October, you have a free bottle of engine degreaser. When you order $75 or more of product, you'll get the email right into your email account from AMSOIL itself. If you live in Canada, you get a free bottle of PI Performance Improver. That's the fuel system cleaner. So definitely check that out. I really appreciate all my AMSOIL preferred customers, and we'll see you tomorrow, Thursday Night Live. All right, we got our official Ebens Giveaway winner, Matt McDermott. He shared the channel a million times, and well, God, he's won like 4 times now. Yeah. And Jeff's on the camera right now. Say hi, Jeff.
Hi, guys. Hi, Jeff.
Hi, Jeff. All right, and then we'll start off with the first prize. He won a $100 gift card to Express Lube, so this is what he's getting for $100. He's getting the Blue Point oil filter wrench for the 6.7 Cummins turbo diesel, and that's on the Ram. Boom, giant. There she is. And then we got the beautiful LED light.
Ooh, that's bright.
As you can see, and it focuses. Come on in, Jeff, get a close-up on this. It actually focuses.
It's adjustable.
It's completely adjustable.
Yeah.
What else does it do, Jeff? You use it every day.
Well, here, you got that. Yep. Okay, now you can go to a strobe mode. Click the back again.
All right.
Click the back again. Click the back again. Click it one more time.
There
Boom.
You go. Booyah.
And we have strobe.
All right.
Just
so it's
click.
A dual purpose.
Click the hell out of it.
Rechargeable.
All day, USBs.
And this is the exact one that we're giving Matt.
There
Brilliant.
It's the Nevo.
Right. There it is. Nice. Wow. So
pass the torch.
So yeah, the pass the torch of honor. So we're very fortunate. Matt's here in town, so we don't have to ship it to him. He just comes on over. But we'll see you at the end of every month, Saturday, 11 a.m., right here at Express Lube and Auto Repair. Jeff and I get out all the goodies, and we're giving away stuff all the time. So that's pretty much it.
Fantastic.
Anything else, Jeff?
I think that's it. Come down and see us.
Yep, we'll see you at the last of the month, the last Saturday of every month, 11 a.m. we do the giveaway. So if you want to be in the giveaway, just share the channel and just screenshot, send me a screenshot with your name, let me know you shared it, and I'll save you in my phone. All right?
Beautiful.
Thanks, Matt.
Thank you.
Official. It's official.